Like my hair, it's like really cracked right now, but I have problems. Like this music? Yeah, I do. I'll kill her. No, don't you dare! Get in here, Kylie, join the love.
Your lips tremble, but your eyes are in the streets.
Got you? No!
We're on the bed, but your
So
clothes are
funny!
Hilarious.
Seriously?
in places that I can't hide.
He really do. He's like, I can't do that.
Tonight you're falling in love. You're going out. This feeling's turning me on.
God, you have to tell someone me! First off, you're not going to deny that. I have to mess. I'm sorry, people, but... Does she hate that you have bad hair now? Stop. Hey! Stop messing with it. If you're not showing me in the video, stop messing with things! I can tell you could tell
I was thinking of ways to keep you staying with me. You tell me I'm so I can
You're gonna kill me.
I am.
Now she's
Go on camera. Okay, anyway, we were in my room, and, like, I was drinking water, and I went on my bed, and, like, I, like, spat it out because I was laughing, because I was, like, about to fall. Yeah, it felt like all on my pants and on my bed, and then my mom's like, oh my god, Summer Green Day's on! And so I get up and I trip, and, yeah, I pretty much fell into,
A metal bookshelf.
yeah, a metal bookshelf, and it's really interesting. But it's a good song, and then Kylie had to go pee.
Oh, thanks. I'm glad I'm not showing my face in this video.